this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So I'm doing this video today just because this baking sentiment die and stamp is ready now. I have posted it on in the Aliexpress store. So if you want it, you can buy it now. So for this one, yeah, this is with this die and this is with this die. And this is how it stamped out. So these tags are very tiny and perfect that you put it, hang it to the gift and project you made. And then we also have this 3D coffee mug ready, and this one is also designed by Nicole. And yeah, because some ladies asked me when this is ready before, so I want to show it here and let you know that this one is also ready now. So it looks like this. And let me show you the die set. So this is the die set, and you have all these layering pieces that you can add the pattern paper. And this one is to, these parts is to make the this holder. So it looks like this. So it's not hard to make. And then we also have this which is broom ready. So I haven't finished it yet, but it looks like this. And this is the cutting die set. So you will get 4 different shapes. And this one, when you roll it over, it will look like this, and then you can cut some tiny pieces off, so it will look like a real broom. So these are the die sets that are ready now. And also we have this new gingerbread sequin here. So it looks like this, super tiny. And then also have this new rainbow here. And this one is the spider web for Halloween. And these 2 are the lollipop candies. So cute. So these are all in the store now. And don't forget that the big sale is also starting in the Aliexpress store. So don't forget to check our store and to see if you can save some money. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.